Hey everyone, welcome back to Shams Makeup Artistry, and in today's video I'm going to review a foundation. Yes, I've been in a hunt and a flow of foundation, so today I'm going to review the foundation from Tarte Cosmetics, and this is their Clay Stick Foundation. So I'm all about stick foundation. So my most favorite stick foundation has to be the Makeup Forever Ultra Stick Foundation, and the newly found love foundation has to be the Lancome Ultra Wear Stick Foundation as well. So I definitely wanted to test the Tarte Clay Stick Foundation when they were released, and I did see a lot of YouTubers getting PR and they were posting their reviews, so it totally got me into trying out this foundation. So let's get into the foundation itself. It does come in a box packaging, very typical Tarte packaging. This foundation retails at $39 and there are 11 shades available in this foundation range. So I got mine through Sephora online, and this is how the foundation itself looks like. So it definitely comes in a stick form. The height of this foundation does look very similar to the Bobbi Brown stick foundation. Unlike the Lancome one, it's a little bit shorter. So this is how the foundation stick itself looks like. It comes in a very nice packaging. It does have like a wood kind of design on the tip, and then it does contain 0.32 ounces of product. I'm in the shade 10 Deep Honey. This is the foundation I'm actually wearing over my face area today. So let's take a look at the foundation right here. So this particular shade that I picked out is the closest match to my skin tone. This foundation does blend in pretty well. So let's take a look what this foundation promises to do. So it does say it's a medium to full coverage of foundation, and it's well made for sensitive, normal, dry, combination and oily skin, and it does have a natural finish, and it says it's a 12-hour long wear foundation. Creamy clay foundation stick that delivers weightless, natural looking coverage and nutrition. So for me, I personally have worn this foundation for a good 9 to 12 hours, and I would not say that this lasts me for a good 12 hours like matte. It does claim that it wears a medium to full coverage, but I personally felt that it wears to a medium coverage. Of course, it's a very buildable foundation. It does have a natural finish, but what I noticed is if you're gonna pack up more of your skin to get the full coverage that it claims, it tends to separate awfully over the skin. Even if you're wearing them very light-handed, like you can see in my demo, I applied them very light-handed over my face area. I kind of felt like after 5 or 6 hours of wear, this foundation does separate on the skin, and it doesn't look good when it starts separating on the skin, especially on my T-zone area, on the tip of my nose, and then this side of my cheek. It kind of separates very awfully, and I don't know why it does that. It's kind of strange why it does that, because it does claim that it's wearable for every skin type, and I do have like a combination to dry skin. I typically don't have like the oily kind of skin, but even on my skin it tends to separate. So I kind of felt like this foundation may not suit all you girls who are really oily, because it may separate more awfully over the skin. Like being a combo skin girl, I personally felt that it separated quite badly over my skin. I've been trying out this foundation for a good 2 weeks, so I started applying like a little bit and then slowly blending them in to see how I can make it work for my skin, if I could make a judgment out of this foundation. I do like the fact that this foundation does wear very natural over the skin. It does make you have like a flawless looking skin. Sometimes it makes you look very pretty wearing it, but I kind of felt like I had to blot my skin over the hours that I was outside, and then the separation was kind of painful to do. And moreover, when I layer the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on the areas of my mouth, it kind of looks even more weirder. So I tend to go very light hand on the Shape Tape Concealer on the areas that I need when I am using my Tarte Clay Stick Foundation, if that does make sense. I really don't know why it does that, but to me, I kind of felt like the separation was really bad. Other than that, it does wear pretty naturally. it does not feel tacky over the skin. It does look like you have flawless looking skin. So if you know how to blend this foundation in really well, like you don't like layer too much of them, it may work well for you. So with this foundation, you may want to work on like little by little and then dab over the areas that you need extra. So I kind of have like a love-hate relationship with this foundation. I can't make a judgment if this is not worth the buy, but yet I don't feel that it's worth the buy. I kind of feel that I would stick with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation and also my Lancome Ultra Wear foundation instead of this Tarte Clay foundation. But if you guys have given this a try, definitely let me know what you guys think. Till my very next one, stay beautiful both inside and out. Give me a thumbs up, share all the love and support, and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.